In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can generate the DDL script for your database. So here I have a sample database called demo and I have two tables. Now if you want to generate all the scripts for your database, right click the database, select task, then scroll down to generate scripts. Select next to continue, and then here you have two options. You can choose to script the entire database and all its objects, or you can choose to script specific objects. So I'm going to keep the default and select next. Choose where you want to save your script. I want to open it in a new Query window. So I'm going to select next here and then select next to continue. Select finish. And then here it has the first script to create the database. Then when we scroll down, it has the other two scripts to create the tables. If it was a large database, it will definitely take up more time rather than open it in a text window because it will eat up all your memory. And that's basically it. So don't forget to like and leave a comment.